Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Motorized Railway Water Tower Starter Set. Includes motorized Thomas. Move the water pipe over Thomas. Motorized action, enhanced performance, faster and steeper. Pivoting pipe, motorized Thomas, stop truck, and the water tower. You can't have a steam without water, and Thomas is ready for a refill. As he speeds to the water tower and stops beneath, you can position the pipe over him. Refreshed and replenished, Thomas can race along to his next adventure. Alright, another unboxing moment. Unboxing time, unboxing part. Go on, Rhea. Let's unbox the water tower starter set. The newly redesigned Trackmaster. Alright. Okie dokie, there you go. I see Thomas and the trucks.
Why isn't that a plastic bag? Oh, somebody opened it. Maybe somebody opened the plastic bag.
No.
Somebody I saw hole.
No one opened it.
But maybe me cut the plastic.
It's okay, Hulyan. Nobody opened it.
Maybe it's the scissor cut it a hole. Is this new Trackmaster, Thomas? It is.
That's the newly redesigned Trackmaster Thomas.
Yeah, except you don't have battery.
Look at the wheels.
Yeah. Check.
Can I see the wheels? Yeah. The teeth of the wheels are very sharp, Hulyan.
Wait, I gotta figure it. Okay.
Just oblong.
Oblong? What the? Oblong?
Oh, not really oblong.
It's a different. I know how it looks like. Yes, it looks like easy.
Where's the straight?
Instruction paper.
Look!
Should be the
There, Hulyan.
straight.
Oh, Maya. Oh, Rhea.
Look! Can you see? Steering wheel. It's not a steering wheel. It looks like a steering wheel. Steer the boat.
Okay.
Make sure to keep the adapters. These are the two adapters. So we can connect the old Trackmaster to the new Trackmaster set. The new Trackmaster
What the?
Thomas.
I said, what the? That is heavy. I said, what the?
Is that Stepney, Hulyan?
Yeah, it's not the number. Whatever is do not. Wait, Mom, I'm trying to see how you stop the engines. Maybe see. Maybe not.
Well, that's the old Trackmaster, Hulyan.
So, do not?
I don't know. I think that thing is not designed for the old Trackmaster. Only for the new Trackmaster trains. Like this one.
Okay, this might be a long train, I think. Okay, maybe it's uh-oh, he's going to crash! He's crash! He crashed on the bumpy track.
Alright, so the set is fully assembled. All we have to do now is to put two AAA batteries on Thomas.
Okay, I put.
Alright, go on, Rhea.
I have the old Thomas. I want to try out this old Thomas. I want to test it out. Oh, yes. Wait, what? No, I think
It doesn't work for the old Trackmaster, Hulyan. Only for the new Trackmaster trains.
Let me hold mine. put it up.
No, it doesn't work.
That's why it's good.
Nope.
This might be the water thing.
Yeah.
I remember you were riding in the train.
Put some water. Thomas needs some water, Hulyan.
Hey, champ.
Make him stop, Hulyan.
Okay.
Alright. Putting some water on Thomas.
It should be like that. But maybe not. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
That's a Sherman tank.
There's a
Alright,
bird.
so let's make him stop. Let's stop Thomas. Go, Hulyan, put him on the track.
Okay, wait.
There.
Okay.
Now, the pivoting pipe. Alright, you're good to go, Thomas. Woohoo! Yeah!
It's back on the track. And boo boo. Okay. Right. Setting Thomas on track. Okay. What the? It just happened. You did something? Maybe it was. Okay, there it is.
Okay, he's good to go.
Okay.
Let him roll. Rock and roll, Thomas. Alright, well, there you have it, kids. Water tower starter set. Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Motorized Railway. I'm signing off.
Wait, stop, stop.
Ciao.